Hello everybody, Big Kahuna Outdoors with Big Kahuna here. I thank all of my subscribers for subscribing to the channel. I hope you're enjoying the videos. Like, share, subscribe. Tell some of your friends. Trying to get some good quality videos out there. I know it ain't as many. We try to catch a fish every now and then. We do a little bit of hunting, a little bit of shooting. I bought me a one-man boat, so try to get some video from it. Doing some brim fishing in the local rivers and creeks and stuff. If you know a spot that you like for me to try out here in North Carolina, drop it on the comment box below the video. Let me know. I might be able to make it happen. Just remember, I am a working man now, so it had to be on the weekends. During the week, I do all my local stuff around the house when I get time. I'm trying to find a way to mount this GoPro on a little one-man creek boat. I got a chesty, but I kind of don't like using it, but I know you get good video from it. So we're going to see how it works out. As you know, with GoPro, you get tons of attachments and stuff that you can stick a GoPro just about anywhere. And then I got this Power Stick by YoloTech. It works real great on the big boat. Just plug it in the navigation port, power it up. That's a power extension. I like it real good. If I can figure out a setup on my small boat to get it mounted, then I go ahead and get that done. Get some video. Once again, thanks to all my subscribers. Appreciate you subscribing and watching the videos. Thanks.